Good morning, Nick, First Class Home Inspections. We're in Litchfield Park doing a townhouse condo. The house looks really pretty good condition, but one of the reasons you definitely want to get an inspection because there's always that one thing that you might miss that you're not going to see when you're looking through your home. And we did find one of those such things, so let's take a look. So this water heater is not original to the house. The house is like 2004, this is like 2016. So when they put this new pan in here, there's a drain pipe that should come from the pan down and out here, so that if this ever floods, it doesn't go into the house, it goes out into this pipe, and that's been removed. So if something happens to this, it could cause a lot of severe water damage to the house. So please don't skip your home inspections, it's worth the cost. Give us a call at First Class Home Inspections, 623-680-0707 or firstclasshomeinspection.com.